the 2009 Nissan Pathfinder. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, rear wipers, and cruise control. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.